In the bustling streets of Quezon City, a young Filipino named Marco once felt trapped in the same cycle so many of us know, chasing overtime, dodging traffic, and wondering why his paycheck never felt enough. He thought the answer was making more money, but here's what he wishes he had known sooner. The fastest path to freedom isn't earning more, it's needing less. Today, we are diving deep into Marcos Roh, real story, the six game changing lessons that let him house hack his way to cash flowing properties, build multiple side incomes, and quit his corporate job at just 24. Every lesson is 100% applicable right here in the Philippines. If you are tired of the grind, this could be the video that changes everything for you. Marco learned the hard way. Attack your expenses on day one. He used to focus on only on salary increases, but once he flipped the script and slashed what he needed, everything accelerated. In the Philippines, where jeepney fares, electricity bills, and canteen lunches quietly eat your take, home pay, the single ship is pure power. He started tracking every single peso. No more impulse buys at 7-Eleven. No more grab every time it rained. He cooked batch meals on Sundays, canceled unused subscriptions, and switched to prepaid loads instead of postpaid traps. Within months, his savings rate jumped from 5% to over 40%. If you are ready to do exactly what Marco did, grab this budget planner journal available right now via YouTube Shopping on Shopee and Lazada. It's the exact tool he used. Simple daily expense logs, savings trackers, and peso-friendly layouts that make budgeting actually fun. Link in the description. Start tracking tonight and watch your money anxiety disappear. Marco, Marco bought his first triplex style property at 20 at 22, but he still kicks himself for not doing it at 20. Every single year of living rent free is a year of expenses eliminated and cash flow compounding like crazy. Here in the Philippines, house hacking is easier than you think. He used a small pag-ibig housing loan, bought a modest two-door apartment building in a student-heavy area near universities, live in one unit for free, and rented the other to boarders. The rental income covered the mortgage, utilities, and even gave him extra cash every month. No more landlord drama. He was the landlord. The earlier you start, ladies and gentlemen, the faster everything snowballs. If you're thinking about your first property move, check out this real estate investing guide Philippines book. YouTube shopping on Shopee and Lazada. It's packed with local tips on pag-ibig, BIR taxes, and spotting cash flow properties in Metro Manila and nearby provinces. Marco wishes he had read it sooner. Now you don't have to wait. Marco wasted thousands in his early 20s trying to look rich, branded shirts he never needed, dinners he couldn't afford, and yes, even financing a car just to impress people who weren't even thinking about him. In the Philippine culture, the pressure is to make pakitang tao is real, but he learned it was silently destroying his net worth. That money could have been in MP2, index funds, or his first property down payment. He sold the flashy stuff, switched to reliable second-hand, and started dressing for his future, not his ego. The lesson hit him hard. Real success is invisible at first. To help you break the look rich trap, he recommends this Psychology of Money book, available via YouTube shopping on Shopee and Lazada. It's the mindset reset that finally freed him from comparison and let his money work for him instead of against him. Marco didn't wait for the perfect idea. He tried everything: small real estate flips, freelance accounting, gigs for neighborhood sari-sari stores, weekend landscaping jobs in subdivisions, even concrete pouring side contracts. Most failed. but the habit of experimenting outside his day job was priceless. Eventually, YouTube became his big winner, but those early failures taught him skills, resilience, and how to spot real opportunities. In the Philippines, with platforms like Shopee, Lazada, and freelance sites, the barrier to side income has never been lower. Start messy, start small, start now. For inspiration and structure, grab this side hustle success planner, YouTube shopping on Shopee and Lazada. It's designed for Pinoys with sections for Shopee reselling ideas, service-based gigs, and weekly action trackers. Marco says this kind of tool would have saved him years and scattered effort. Everyone had an opinion, like a rental property. Weird, huh? Drive that old car. Really? Not finishing college. That's a mistake. Marco heard it all from family, friends, and even co-workers. But he stopped listening to voices that weren't living the life he wanted. In the Philippines, where family expectations run deep, this was the hardest lesson. Yet ignoring the noise gave him the freedom to make bold moves. Others were too scared to try. To strengthen your own mindset, pick up Think and Grow Rich, YouTube Shopping, and Shopee and Lazada. This classic helped Marco tune out the doubters and lock in on his vision. Okay, lesson number 6. Worry less about the timeline. Marco left his job at 24 and spent months stressing whether it was happening fast enough. Looking back, it was perfect timing. The boring, simple things he did consistently, tracking expenses, house hacking, okay, building side income, compounded faster than he ever imagined. Trust the process. One track peso, one rented room, one failed side hustles at a time. To stay consistent, ladies and gentlemen, even when progress feels slow, use the Atomic Habits book, YouTube shopping on Shopee and Lazada. It's the exact system Marco credits for turning daily habits into life-changing results. Marcos' story, ladies and gentlemen, proves that financial freedom in the Philippines isn't reserved for the lucky or the already rich. It's for anyone willing to start with expenses. House hack smart. Stop performing. Build relentlessly. Ignore the noise and trust the timeline. You don't need to wait until 30 or 40. Start today, ladies and gentlemen. Grab any of the 6 affiliate products that I have mentioned, all available right now through YouTube shopping on Shopee and Lazada. Links are pinned in the description. And I will be tagging that also. Drop a comment. Which lesson hit you hardest? Like if you are starting your expense tracker this week. Subscribe for more no-flop Pinoy financial freedom content. You have got this. See you in the next one. And remember, the fastest path to freedom is needing less.